Welcome to Poseidwntech. In today's video, we'll test a new device from SwitchBot, and more specific, SwitchBot Hub Mini. This device will help us, among other, to get rid of these annoying remote controls. As you have seen, we have used a lot of SwitchBot devices in the past, and we're really glad we do so, because we like SwitchBot products. Now it's time to extend our SwitchBot ecosystem with Hub Mini. Here in the application you can see that we have connected and we daily use a lot of products. And they work perfect. But the problem is this little sign. As you can see, all of the devices are connected via Bluetooth. And this is a limitation. It means that you can connect the device and get notifications only when you are in the range of Bluetooth. It's time for this to be changed. SwitchBot Hub Mini will help us. So first, let's unbox it. It's the known package from SwitchBot products. We have the actual device, this small box, and the micro USB to USB-A cable. Please have in mind that the charger is not included, so you will have to use your own. Just connect it to a charger and power up the device. That's it. Our device is ready to be connected to the application. Now in the app, we can add device. As you can see, it appears here. Just press next, since it is already in pairing mode. And after some seconds, our device is connected. We need to provide some information like the name, select a room, and of course provide the credentials for the Wi-Fi. That's it. Just a couple of steps and it is connected to ecosystem. Okay, now that Hub Mini is connected to the internet, as you can see slowly, all the signs in the SwitchBot device will turn from Bluetooth to a small cloud sign. It means that we have access to all this device now from the network, apart from the Bluetooth. This is one of the biggest advantages of SwitchBot Hub Mini. But let's check also another great functionality, which is the remote control. In order to do so, we need to select Hub Mini, press Add Device, choose the type of the appliance, just go through the wizard, and press Start Smart Learning. Select the brand, get the remote control closer to the Hub Mini, press a button, and that's it. Here you can swipe through different models. Just select the model that has the most buttons enabled. Tap one button and just press Save. Give a name for the device. Select a room. And that's it. As you can see, it is also enabled in Alexa. We'll go through this later. Now our device is ready and included in the SwitchBot ecosystem. It appears here in the list as a separate device. You can open this device and control it as it will be through the remote control. Very easy. Just add another device. in this case it's going to be an air condition. Just go through the same wizard, press Smart Learning, just press a button in the remote control, and that's it. Again, select the correct model, press one button, and just press Save. Exactly the same procedure. Give it a name, select a room, and press Save. That's it. One more device in the SwitchBot ecosystem, and it is also available to control it via Alexa. Very easy. Now you can control your AC through SwitchBot. You don't need anymore the remote control. As you already know, all SwitchBot devices are available to be controlled via Amazon Alexa. In order to do so, you need to have enabled the relevant skill. In our case is SwitchBot Smart. As you can see here, we have enabled. So under the devices, we have all SwitchBot devices available, including the two that we have just introduced, the AC and TV. So you can control your AC or TV via voice commands. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please press like and consider subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.